Allow yourself to get into a comfortable seated position, readying yourself for this meditation. Whatever that looks like to you, preferably with the lights low and dim to no lights and just the flicker of a candle, and using the candle's flicker also as your soundboard. If you're not listening to the sound bath. Thank you for joining me here today. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Allow your eyes to fall to a gentle close as you center into this moment. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. One more time. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Allow yourself to be still. Allow yourself to be one with this moment. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Allow yourself to feel your breath for the next few moments as you just listen to this frequency and bring yourself home. Allowing your stomach to fully expand during your inhales and contract all the way during your exhales. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. I invite you to visualize yourself in your mind's eye, standing in the middle of a street, an intersection. You can decide what this intersection looks like. Is it 4 options, 3 roads crossing? Yeah, will it be 2 roads crossing? You can choose what this intersection looks like. How many options do you have as paths around you? Feel yourself in this moment, standing there, looking at the paths around you. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. You see there are 4 paths you can take. As you stand still at the center of this intersection, you center into your breath. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Again, inhale deep. Hold. Release. One more time. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Now that you are here and centered, you feel yourself closing your eyes visually, and you see your angels, your ancestors, your spirit guides there with you, around you, in front of you, behind you, supporting you. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. You feel their hands gently supporting you, holding your hands, gently touching your shoulders. Right at your side. You inhale and exhale a sigh of relief. Inhale. Release. You know that you are supported. You know that you are protected. You know that you are provided for. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. As you stand here, you ask for guidance, knowing that they are there with you. You simply ask for guidance. Angels, ancestors, spirit guides, source, thank you for your presence in my life. Thank you for your love and support. Thank you for your blessings and well-wishings of love and prosperity in my life. I come to you with a request of intervention. Please intervene in my life in this moment. Help me make the decisions that I do not have the foresight to see the results of. Tell me where I should go. Lead me. Guide me. Where should I go? Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Allow a moment of stillness as you receive. Open yourself up to receive. Center in, focus at the center of your forehead, your mind's eye. Sit in stillness and breathe in and out of your mind's eye. As you continue to stay in receiving mode, you feel yourself taking a motion forward. Your feet hitting the ground as you begin to walk in the direction of your dreams. You know where you are headed. You know that you are on the right path. You are being led. Trust in your guides. Trust in your source. Trust in yourself. You are safe. You are protected. You are led. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Take this knowing with you the rest of the day. As you continue to make decisions, know that you are led. You are guided. You are being directed. Your path is illuminated. Continue to step forward. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Allow yourself to return to your body. Gently rolling your shoulders back. Tilting your head from side to side. And sitting in stillness for a moment of gratitude. To thank our ancestors, our angels, our spirit guides, all of those wishing us love, light, and abundance, praying for our success and progression of our bloodline, thanking them. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Allow yourself to gently awaken to this moment. Gently blinking your eyes open. Knowing that you are safe here. Wherever you are, they are also with you. Take this knowing with you the rest of the day, the rest of the evening, into your dreams, and continue to receive messages and guidance on where your path is. Enjoy the journey. Peace to you. Thank you for joining me, and thank yourself for taking this time. Namaste.